So to fix this problem, what you have to do is to tap on this COC or Clash of Clan app for some while, and you're going to see this. Tap on the app info and you're going to be in the app info. So over here, tap on force stop, tap on OK. Then after that, tap on notifications. Make sure the show notification is tapped on. So after doing this, tap on the permissions and make sure the camera permission is loud. So after allowing every permission, tap on storage and cache, tap on the clear cache, go back. Now tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi or mobile data and restriction, and make sure the background data is toggled on. After doing this, what you have to do is to check Google Play Store. So let's go to our Google Play Store. Tap on Google Play Store and try to search for COC. When it appears like this, what you have to do is to tap on it, and now you can see update over here. So try to tap on the update to get the latest update of Clash of Clans. So after doing this, tap on your power button for some while. Don't try to open the app right now. Tap on restart, then tap on OK. After restarting your device, now you are free to go. It's going to be fixed. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. If this video have been helpful to you, please tap on the subscribe button, like, and also share this video with your friends.